for joining us once again. Soy la profesora Lorraine. Bienvenidos a la Escuelita de Español. While the GPS on your phone can be very resourceful, it's still important to know how to ask for or give directions in Spanish or English. Today, we will take a look at a few ways on how to ask for directions in Spanish. The first thing we are going to look at is how to approach someone when asking for directions. The most usual way would be to say disculpa or disculpe. Both of these means excuse me. Excuse me, disculpa. Disculpa is the informal way of saying excuse me. Disculpe is the more formal way. You can also start by greeting the person good morning, good afternoon, or good night, which in Español would be buenos días, buenas tardes, or buenas noches. Once you've got their attention, there are different ways to ask them for directions. You can simply say the name of the place that you are looking for. For example, disculpa, el Humanayana. Remember to make that question sound. Disculpa, el Humanayana. Buenas tardes, Stabroek Market. Another way is to tell them that you are looking for a certain place. As in English, when we use the verb looking, it's somewhat implied that you are expecting the person to help you by giving you directions. Here are examples in Spanish. So in order to say I'm looking for, in Spanish you say busco, busco, or estoy buscando, estoy buscando. So for instance, busco una farmacia. Remember, busco or estoy buscando both mean I'm looking for. Busco una farmacia. So what does this sentence tell us? I'm looking for a pharmacy. Repeat the sentence with me. Busco una farmacia. Busco un taxi. Busco un taxi. I'm looking for a taxi. Estoy buscando el Citimal. Estoy buscando el Citimal. This sentence means I am looking for the Citimal. Repitan conmigo. Estoy buscando el Citimal. Let's do one more. Estoy buscando una barbería. Repitan conmigo. Estoy buscando una barbería. I am looking for a barber shop. You can also use question words, like the ones we've learned a few episodes ago. Let's check out some sentences. So if we want to ask, where is something, we could say, ¿Dónde está? And in this case, ¿dónde está el museo? Repitan conmigo. ¿Dónde está el museo? Where is the museum? Let's try another. ¿Dónde está la casa? ¿Dónde está la casa? Where is the house? Repitan. ¿Dónde está la casa? There's also ¿cómo llego? ¿Cómo llego means how do I get to? And then you mention the name of the place that you are looking for. ¿Cómo llego al parque? ¿Cómo llego al parque? How do I get to the park? Repitan. ¿Cómo llego al parque? Here's another example. ¿Cómo llego a la playa? Repitan. ¿Cómo llego a la playa? How do I get to the beach? If you want to ask, do you know if the hospital is around here? To say, do you know if, you say, ¿sabes si? ¿Sabes si el hospital está por aquí? Repitan conmigo. ¿Sabes si el hospital está por aquí? Do you know if the hospital is around here? ¿Hay un hospital cerca de aquí? Remember, guys, hay means there is or there are. However, if you're asked a question in English, it's is there or are there. So if I want to ask, is there a hospital around here? I would say, ¿hay un hospital cerca de aquí? Repitan, ¿hay un hospital cerca de aquí? Excelente. And remember, you can change the name of the locations in the examples to suit your conversation. Bueno, amigos, this is all on asking for directions in Spanish. Do join me in the next episode of La Escuelita de Español, where we will be learning all on how to give or understand directions in Spanish. Until then, soy la profesora Lorraine. Hasta luego.